Hi, my name is Austin Sheep, otherwise known as A-Swag.
And I'm Thomas Turner.
And I'm Eric Jacob, the cameraman.
Today we're going to be discussing one of the most interesting jobs known to man. That's right, a patent lawyer.
Wow, Tom, that's a bold claim. Are you sure it's the most interesting job ever?
A patent lawyer has the most exciting job out of anyone. No other profession combines such bold integrity with such raw cunningness.
So, Tom and Austin, what is it that a patent lawyer exactly does?
What do you mean besides being awesome? A patent lawyer examines other people's discoveries and deems them as to be intellectual property, otherwise known as IP.
When an idea is deemed intellectual property, that means that that the idea has an owner and no other can profit from this idea.
For example, let's say I discovered a new soda, Coke. If I get this patented, that means no other company can make the same soda without my consent.
Darn it. A patent lawyer generally works about 50 hours or more a week. However, those working for law firms are generally have irregular hours, depending on what cases they are given.
So where is this work done?
Ah, you seem like a man who has many great questions. Well, as they say, a true genius only asks questions, not answers them. Typically, work is done in courtrooms, offices, and libraries.
And prison. If that doesn't throw you over the edge, then get this. A patent lawyer's average starting salary is approximately $125,000. Wow!
So how does one self become a patent lawyer?
In order to become a patent lawyer, you need to pass the law SAT, the patent bar test, and have a bachelor's degree in various fields of technology.
Huh, oh, that's simple.
If you become a patent lawyer, you'll be able to see many new inventions, new medicines, plus you'll be able to make big money.
Chicks dig patent lawyers.
Return after 35 years.
Now I have to warn you, young Erich, even though there's a higher demand for patent lawyers than there are regular lawyers, it's still a competitive job.
Also, it's a mental challenge. You must decide what can or cannot be owned.
For example, let's say a pharmaceutical company discovers a new gene in the body and then uses that for medical purposes.
The gene is naturally occurring.
So is it right to say that even though the company discovered it and created a use for it, are they the only ones who can own the profiting rights to it?
Jeepers! That's mind-blowing!
Now that we have told you everything about what a patent lawyer does, it is now time for us to show you a brief example of a real-life case scenario. It kind of goes like this. Man 1 creates a product. Man 1 presents product to patent lawyer number 1. Patent lawyer number 1 deems the idea to be intellectual property. Sometime later, man number 2 tries to steal the idea. Man number 1 becomes furious and sues man number 2. Man number 1 and patent lawyer number 1 are up against man number 2 and patent lawyer number 2 in court. Man number 1's idea proves to be original and the first one to be developed. Patent lawyer number 2 and man number 2 lose the case. Patent lawyer number 2 disappears, while man number 2 goes to jail. Man number 1 and patent lawyer number 1 finally win and can get on with their stupid lives.